Hi students, here you have the next theme, that is, did women have revolution? We know that we discussed that in the earlier portion, we discussed that the women were the active participants of the revolution because they felt that their participation, it can be bring, or it can create more pressure on government, and it can make more policies favor to women. So the women, they were started a lot of revolution, and they were started their own journals and newspapers. Most of the women, they were looking after their family and their children, and some of the women, they were work in outside. They work as if selling fruits, and some of them were laundresses, and some of them were sold the flowers, and some of the people, they were sold vegetables in market, and some of them were employed as a servants in those people who are rich. And different types of jobs are did by the women in that period. During the time of the French Revolution, most of the women, they did not have access to education. Only noble and their daughters have to get the chance to study, or they have to get education. And the third estate, and those members are wealthier people, their children or their daughters are get the chance to study. And other people, they majority of the people means majority of women were engaging in different kinds of jobs, and also they were working in their house to look after their children and other household works. And the daughters of the noble people, they were sent their daughter into study in convent schools. After their completion of their education, they arranged marriage for them. And those women are engaged, or they were working outside. After that, they also have to look after their family members, and they have to cook food for the family and fetch water, and they also want to stay long time for queue for to get bread for their children. And all this work they were done, but the wage is very low as compared to men. In order to discuss their own grievances or their interest and their voices, the women, they will start many of the clubs and newspapers. About 60 women clubs came up in major parts of the cities in France. And from among this, one of the major or famous club was the Society of Revolutionary and Republican Women. The main or famous club of women in France, the name is the Society of Revolutionary and Republican Women, and their main demand was to get equal political rights or voting rights that enjoy the men in France. The new association or the new club, their main demand was the women have to get right to vote, and they have to right to hold the political institution, because in the time of 1791 the constitution passed. The women, they were the passive members of the society. So to overcome this, they wanted, or they argue that they need voting rights, and to they want to get, or their demand was to hold the political offices of the country. And only the government is consider, if it is considered only, they felt that the new government, they were considered the voice and the interest of the women. So the main demand was to right to vote and hold the political institutions for women. In the early years, the revolutionary government could not take any steps to improve the life condition of the women. But after the participation of the women, a lot of changes were occurred in France, and some of the changes they are, and the government started new state school apart from this school, or according to this school a new law was introduced, that is, education is compulsory for girls. And as a result, another That means as a result of the revolutionary wars participated by the women, another changes was the father no longer forced their daughter to marriage against their will and made the divorce as legal. The divorce can be applied both men and women. That means equal right have to get both of them. Marriage can be conduct according to the will of the daughter, and marriage was made into a contract entered freely by the daughter. And the last point, that is the women could now train jobs. Before the revolutionary period, the women would not get chance to training for the job. Now the women have the right to train to their jobs and could become artists or run small business according to their wish. These was the major revolutionary changes were happened in France due to the active participation of women in political scenario. The women's movement for the right to vote or equal wages continued through the next 2 years, that is 200 years, many countries of the world, and they were start for adult suffrage, women's suffrage. Suffrage means right to vote. At last, finally, 1946, the women in France to get right to vote. The next topic, that is the abolition of slavery. One of the most revolutionary changes in France during the time of the Jacobin regime was to abolish the slavery from French colonies. The colonies, they are the Caribbean, Martinique, and second one Guadeloupe, and third one, that is San Domingo, were the major colonies, and these colonies were supply the commodities of indigo, coffee, sugar, and tobacco. These commodities were supplied by these colonies. And the British or the European people, they were reluctant to move on unfamiliar lands, and they did not like to work in distant lands, and it created acute shortage of labor in plantations area. The shortage of this labor, it creates the triangular trade between Africa, Europe, and Americas. And the slave trade, it began in the year of 17th century. The French merchants, they sailed from port of Bordeaux or Nantes to the African coast, where they bought slaves from the local chieftains. From the area, they get the slaves from local chieftains, and these slaves is branded and shackled, and the slaves were packed tightly into ships, and for the 3 months of voyage across the Atlantic to Caribbean, and they were sold. These labors, they were sold in plantation owners, that is the French. In French, the merchants, they were bought these slaves from the Bordeaux or Nantes, the coast, and from these slaves they were sold to the plantation owners, because the plantation workers, they were the face the problem of shortage of labor or workers, because we already discussed that the Europeans were reluctant to work in this place. Throughout the 18th century, there was a large or huge criticism faced the problem of slavery, and the National Assembly, they were long years debated about the problem of slavery in France, but they did not take any laws or legal actions against this problem of slavery, because the members of the National Assembly, the businessmen, their main income were mainly depend upon the slave trade, so they legally could not take any actions. But at last, the convention in 1794 passed legislative measures to free all the slaves under the control of the French overseas possession. But its measures were only 2 or 3 years. That means only short-term measures. After the Napoleon came into rule, he reintroduced the slavery system in France. At last, in 1848, finally, the France abolished the system of slavery.